Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Scheme Sum on Monday, Mapitsi is confronted with a damning evidence that could destroy her entire life. Kwezi realizes she may have placed her trust in the wrong person with Melita. Alfred imposes his authority on Evelyn. On Tuesday, Mapiti devises a plan to silence her nemesis and safeguard her secret. Kwezi discovers that her new model is more dangerous than she thought. Charles and Salamina are shaken by revelations about Magwena's speech at school. On Wednesday, Mapiti is thrilled after finding the perfect place for her horrendous voice. The new face of Kwezibiti worries about her past resurfacing and overshadowing her newfound fame. Tensions rise at Berry FM with the arrival of a new employee. On Thursday, Mr. Homu begs for some love back from his ex-wife, while Kamu's plans are disrupted. Leeto puts Kwaito in his place. On Friday, Felix Hopano returns to TAF, determined to uncover the truth. Mapiti and DJ Thomas put one fire on spark a new one. Melita makes a promise and breaks it on the very same day. Thank you guys for watching.